We have visited this particular conference for the first time, and we got lot of information regarding JCI, NABH, and we have directly contact with CAP people. So we got very good information from CAP personnel, and they could solve our all questions, and a very informative session. As such, the Congress is also very good. They gave us the detailed information regarding the JCI accreditation. The sessions were good. Even the paper presentation part is also good. They have given the chance to other hospitals also. I think every year we will try to visit and we'll gain the knowledge regarding patient safety. All the hospitals in India, they are behind now infection control practices, and they all want the government accreditation, good hospitals. So our hospital is also trying to get the NABH accreditation. We have got one visit is over. The lab is already NABL accredited, and we have ISO accreditation also. I presented a paper on catheter associated urinary tract infection. And we have submitted our data. The data was very good. The cumulative mean, probable mean of the this thing, catheter associated urinary tract infection for last 2 years data we have presented, and it is just 2.2, though our benchmark was 5. So the data is good. Our infection control strategies are good. So because of that, we could manage to have such a less rate. Yeah, main challenges are in the hospital infection control, nosocomial infection control. That is the important challenge, and if we overcome that particular part, I think we will get the very good, very good patient. We will be the best in patient safety if we reduce the hospital acquired infection rates, and if you follow all the infection control practices in the hospital. So, though accreditation is essential, but I always feel that first is patient safety, and second is infection control part in the hospital, so that our patients will feel safe when they are entering into the hospital. And regarding prospects, new prospects, if you ask me, it is always the IT should be involved in all the fields of the hospital, all the faculties of the hospital, especially laboratory and radiology part, so that the patient will get direct reports. As far as possible, patient should be always comfortable when they are getting the reports on their mobile phones or through net directly to the through online. So that is, I always feel that we should have a good IT setup in the hospital.